Ellie.
Tag questions. What are tag questions? Tag questions include a short phrase called the tag at the end of a positive or negative sentence stem. For example, in the question, "That was a good movie, wasn't it?" "That was a good movie" is the sentence stem and "wasn't it" is the tag. Why do we use tag questions in English? We use tag questions for emphasis or confirmation. Tag questions are very common in spoken English. When we are sure that someone will agree with what we are saying, we can use a tag question. For example, if my friend and I are looking at a small kitten and I think it is cute, I would assume that my friend also thinks it is cute. I can ask, "That kitten is cute, isn't it?" And my friend will probably answer, "Yes, it is." How do we form tag questions in English? Look at the position of the subject and verb in the sentence stem. Then form the tag by reversing the order. In other words, put the verb before the subject in the tag. For example, in the question, "She is tired, isn't she?" the subject "she" comes before the verb "is" in the stem. In the tag, the verb "isn't" comes before the subject "she." The tag always takes a subject pronoun. If the subject in the sentence stem of the question is a pronoun, it remains the same in the tag. If the subject in the stem is a noun, it becomes a pronoun in the tag. For example, in the question, "They are hungry, aren't they?" the subject of the stem is they, so the subject of the tag doesn't change. But in the question, "The children are hungry, aren't they?" the subject of the stem is children, so the subject of the tag changes to they. The tag verb is always opposite of the verb in the sentence stem. If the verb in the stem is positive, the tag is negative. If the verb in the stem is negative, the tag is positive. For example, in the question, "He speaks French fluently, doesn't he?" the verb in the stem is positive, so the verb in the tag is negative. But in the question, "He doesn't speak Spanish fluently, does he?" the verb in the stem is negative, so the verb in the tag is positive. If the sentence stem uses the be verb, the tag uses the be verb too. For example, "This pasta is delicious."